Okay, those of you who are wondering, asking about alligators.
I know, you're mad because she's in your thing.
Not yet. But we see them all over around here. Wow, listen to the sound.
Watch yourself. Hi.
Wow, listen to that sound.
Yeah. Come here. I dare you, jump. Put on a show. Do it.
They're getting ready to feed.
Ew. Thanks, Tina.
Good. I'm back away slowly.
Oh, you're fine, Alex.
I don't mind.
I need like
If you
a
back
pool.
away slowly, you'd fall in.
That's kind of weird. I've never heard a gator hiss before, only on like TV.
Come here, boy.
They really know. I don't know.
Jasper is actually our biggest gator. I just, that's what I went inside to ask because people, they're like, oh yeah, Chewy's bigger. She'll see Chewy on the other side. But no, Jasper's the biggest one in here. Good boy. Good boy.
Yeah, now I know what sound to listen for.
Right?
Yeah, I'm out there in the woods and I hear that.
Oh my goodness. Hissing.
Yeah, I never heard one hiss like that.
I have a question. Did you know freshwater leeches don't suck blood?
No, they don't?
Yep.
I didn't know that.
Freshwater leeches?
Is that a question or are you telling? What was the question?
Did you know?
I don't know what he is. Is that who we call her?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, that's a fact.
I don't know. I
I'll
don't think
put
little.
my
I didn't
hand-
see little either thing. Jasper.
They should name one named Chompy the Gator.
You
I
have
No.
always call gators a Chompy.
We do. If you guys keep walking, we
Do they have a Gaston the Gator?
We'll continue. There's another one. Wow.
Chompy.
Now I know what they sound like.
Yeah.
And they like the
That's a little
dirty,
bit that just
they
went
like
down.
the swampy water. That's true, right? This is what they're really.
Yeah, this is what they like because they can hide it and then
Do you see how that water? Oh, here he is over here.
side a little bit just is
He's over here.
Do you guys have fish in there? Do you guys put fish in there?
That is a Florida gator. A little one here. Jasper was the big one. These are about the ones that you usually see around in the ponds and stuff. And there's another one right here. See the little head?
Have any of the gators ever eaten anybody?
Wow.
I mean, amazing. Like almost to fill up this whole tank.
Wow, that big?
Yeah, they're big. And they have like hundreds of them. You can hop over the
Wow.
It's kind of like
Jasper sounds like he ate a speaker.
take out the
Yeah.
dirt. And it's
A
tiny
little
little
bit's
holes.
right behind you. A little bit my mom actually caught, and I make fun of her all the time because she caught a lizard because it's really small, and it was smaller when she caught it. She caught her by the duck pen that we see later on. And then we had a big bit. I don't know why they did.
So if you happen to be out here in Florida and you see what looks like a log or something floating there, that may not be a log.
Good boy. Come here.
There's another one, pretty decent size.
Yeah, he just.
Did he snort? He just made a snorting sound?
It's mating season, first of all, and that's what the sound they make, but they also do that when they get mad. So if I mess with them in a certain way, they'll do that sound towards me. Come here.
No, he just ran. Like, forget this.
He's like, oh, come
You
with
don't
you.
got no food for me.
That's probably what they want is food, but they hate being messed with.
Mr. Alligator can't catch me. Remember that Nick the Monkey song? Oh, he's coming.
There's one under him is what's going on.
They're basically dinosaurs, though.
Yeah, they are. They're one of the closest relatives because we actually had gators back in the day. Like, way back in the day.
I feel like you're training velociraptors like in Jurassic World.
It's like,
Yeah.
everything's safe until they...
No, with gators, because you see me like, lean over the cage. Like, you have to know, gators are just like dogs, but they're more aggressive when messed with, and you have to watch how they hunt and how they act. That way, if you go and try and mess with a gator, kids don't try this at home. Don't go mess with gators unless you catch them. You have to unhook them to be safe. They'll end up jumping up, which this one and the next one probably do because he absolutely hates me. But they will jump up and you will lose a finger and possibly a hand Eat that right. Come
They
here.
showed in Gatorland how you can make them fall asleep, or at least
Yeah, you roll them right over.
put them in a trance. Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh.
Easy.
He wants to get out of the water.
No, he wants food.
Do they like being pet like that?
No, they hate it. That's why they keep doing that. They keep jumping off. All right, in this one we have a male gator, and I think this is this one. He absolutely hates me. He tries to kill me every single time. Yeah, say hi. Easy. He absolutely, like, every single time, he knows when I'm here. Because he'll turn around real quick and he'll end up watching me. Now, he will jump at me and he will try and take my finger off. Now, the other one kind of stays back and doesn't really do anything. And so it's kind of really cool. But he absolutely hates me. Watch how he'll come back there. And he will try to attack me. It's pretty scary sometimes.
Bully. He's a bully. The bully, I mean. Of the
Yeah, he just absolutely, he hates me to a whole new good level. Come on, do it. Good boy. Come here. You see how the other one came up?
Whoa.
Hey!
Uh-oh.
Well, that was mean. What the other one did is, when you have another companion, they'll end up sneaking up and they'll hide underneath the mercury.
And it just
And
popped
then
out.
Yeah, they'll pop up and either attack the predator or attack the prey and help the other one out.
Wow.
Yeah. That's why you have to be careful, especially since it's not clear water. That's why when you go to
there?
It was a distraction.
He got mad because I was messing with him, and then he realized that the other one was there. So it's a defense mechanism. So he'll end up turning around. He'll bite whatever's near him. That way he doesn't get hurt himself. And plus, since I was making him mad, he already was in that stance.
That's a big
Then if you guys walk around, and it's a big turtle. You know how much he weighs? He weighs 150 pounds.
Wow.
more than me.
Yeah.
Wow.
But like he's not that big.
No, he's not. You
Like
don't
for
know how old he
150
is?
pounds, he's not big.
He's a baby. You don't know how old he is?
3.
Oh, he's big.
You know how long? Yeah. You know how long he lived?
100 years.
105 to 200 years.
Wow.
So he's pretty much a baby. Come here, Monty.
He's moving as fast as he can.
They move a little bit faster than that.
We have a red-foot tortoise at home, and it's like super speed.
Yeah, they'll do it. Watch yourself. There's a spider right there. I don't want you guys touching that. It's right here. Oh. On this one. I don't want you guys getting bit. Come here, Monty.
Here he comes. Here he comes. Monty the turtle.
Question, because I have tortoise. And
Yeah.
What
I
do
thought
what do they
monkeys
eat? I mean, the redfoots eat our
He eats
omnivores.
cabbage.
He eats cabbage?
Cabbage
but like,
and
what else?
iceberg lettuce, and I feed him a head 2 weeks. Or 2 times a week.
2 times a week? And what's the good thing for pyramiding? Do you know the pyramiding? Like, keep their shell smooth?
I'm not sure.
I mean, I have a tortoise, and it's a redfoot, and the redfoot tortoises or the yellowfoot tortoises, they eat actually meat too.
Yeah, they will.
And
Yeah.
I have a baby one, obviously probably the size, maybe smaller than his head, but
Yeah.
just curious to see what you guys feed to them.
Yeah, we feed him, it's either iceberg or,
romaine, kale,
it's like cabbage or lettuce or something
and
like that.
nothing different. Everything the same time. You give him fruits.
Yeah, we normally just give him the head and he'll eat it.
Okay.
But you can, if you look it up there, I know you can feed different fruits to them.
Yeah. Which one is this breed?
I'm not sure. I would have to ask.
That's okay.
Yeah. And then over here we have our normal lake turtles. We have a soft shell turtle somewhere. He's probably hiding. There's a turtle on the backside.
I never did see that spider you were talking about.
Yeah.
Oh, he's on you.
I know, I was like, wondering. I didn't see it, so maybe.
Yeah,
Oh,
no, it was
here's
just
the
on
turtle.
railing and I saw it. Didn't want you guys like, touching the rail.
Oof, watch out here.
Chewie,
There's the turtle. Spider.
Chewie, wake up. Chewie. Can you say hi?
Oh, it's Chewy.
Oh, yeah, Chewbacca.
Baka's over there. Chewy's huge.
Yeah, Chewie's the second largest. Did he sound like a tattoo? Chewie will actually, when he's up here, he'll allow me to touch him, and he really won't care.
I careful, there's a spider.
Alright. Thank you. Thank you.
That's not starting. Look, I've been in crazier fields than this before. I know. I wouldn't care about little bit and big bit. I'll watch and keep an eye on. But yeah, this is Chewie. He's the fattest gator we have in our sanctuary. He'll actually let me touch him, but I won't do that in the water. I'm not getting in. Not with that big of a gator. Ain't that right, Chewy? Come here. You say hi. Come here. Jenna, I'm on tour. Stop it. Chewy. Not gonna say hi?
This is not what I wanted to do.
Good boy. That's a good boy. I know. I pissed you off. It's okay. I get it.
Nope.
How much hours have these guys done? Cleaning, maintenance, food.
We feed them chicken, like raw chicken, like you buy in a store. And we feed the big ones about 4 to 5. And then we feed the other ones about 2 to 3. And then the maintenance, the cleaning is not a top priority because they do live in this type of
Yeah,
environment.
It's not like you clean it every single
But
day.
yeah, we clean it. I want to say,
It's like broccoli.
yeah.
Overcooked broccoli.
I don't even know how many times we clean it.
It looks
just
like the
needs to be
broccoli at
cleaned,
elementary
like, really
school.
bad. Especially in Jasper's and
That looks like camera.
give me my phone. Chewy, come here. Good boy. Come here.
He's like, forget this.
Like no.
Do you have a vet that comes on site to check the animal?
We normally when we see an animal that looks like it needs help, we'll call them, but we don't have like
Have
a
them sign
normal
one that
checkup.
comes every day or every
Yeah, because normally we do, and we make sure that everything's okay.
Yeah. Obviously you guys to know what to do with the animal
Yeah.
and know what time.
2.
So now we know what to do to.
All right, and then this one we had 2 females and 1 male. Who? I don't care. There's one in the back right corner, and then there's one right here. Bite the pole.
It's like fishing.
Huh? Same. I think this one's the male. No.
Dad, do you have food?
You're not
No, no,
feed
no.
the gator.
I'm not
Just-
gonna feed them.
Or get
Nick,
Jasper.
get it later. Wow, let's look at him.
Sure, go ahead, baby. Sounds good.
I think one of the smart people are
He's got really bad breath, and that's what he's trying to like.
Yeah, he won't hurt anybody. Alright, so there's another tour. We're gonna move around the corner to the right.
Alrighty, here comes the second group.